Hello everyone, welcome to tenorshare. Have you ever encountered the tricky issue of your iPhone 16 screen completely black and unresponsive? Don't worry, we're here to help. Today, we'll introduce 4 effective methods to restart your iPhone and bring it back to normal. Before trying these methods, please ensure your iPhone 16 is connected to a charger and has at least 50% battery. If it still doesn't respond, try a different charging cable or power outlet. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. A forced restart can often resolve some minor software glitches that prevent your iPhone from turning on. For your iPhone 16, quickly press and release the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and finally press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. If this method works, congratulations, your iPhone should be back to normal. If it still doesn't work, don't worry, we have more solutions. Method 2. Use ReiBoot standard repair. If a forced restart doesn't work, you can try using ReiBoot, a tool that can fix over 150 iOS issues without deleting your data. First, download and install ReiBoot on your computer. You can find the link in the video description. Connect your phone to your computer, launch ReiBoot, and you can use ReiBoot to enter recovery mode with one click. Then click Start Repair. Select Standard Repair, as it will not delete your data and can resolve most system issues. After ReiBoot downloads the necessary firmware and completes the repair process, your iPhone should be back to normal. Method 3. Repair using iTunes. If ReiBoot cannot resolve the issue, you can try repairing your iPhone using iTunes. Please note that this process will restore your iPhone to factory settings, meaning all your data will be deleted. To do this, connect your iPhone to iTunes. Putting your iPhone 16 into recovery mode, press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the power button until the recovery screen appears. Then, select Restore from the pop-up menu, download the necessary firmware, and the recovery process will begin. Method 4. Contact Apple support. If the above methods are ineffective, the problem may be hardware related. In this case, it is best to contact Apple support for professional diagnosis. They can check for any hardware issues. You can schedule an appointment through the Apple website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and we'd be happy to assist you. See you in the next video.